tutorial on how to install the style effects and the actions and brushes into Photoshop. It's really easy. When you download all of whichever products that you ordered, pull up a project that you're working on, and you have all of your different layers and your text and everything. So all of your effects will end up in a panel, which you can find under Window, and you can pull up your actions, you can pull up your brushes, and you can pull up all your styles. So under the window, that will pull up this panel here, which all of my styles are in here already. So we're going to show you how to install them. And it's really simple. It's just a one-click install. And what you do is after you download whichever product you ordered, just we're going to go back into styles. You go into your folder and then you have all of your different ones. Pull up Halloween, and then all you do is just double click on it or single click. However you have your Windows set up, and it's already installed. We can go looks at our effects panel, and we now have a new group of effects styles that you can lay onto the project that you're working on. So let's just grab one of these layers and then let's drop one click and it's done. And that's how easy it is to install them. And you will receive all of the various styles in that bundle group that you order. We'll just grab this one here. Okay. And it's that easy. Just one click and it'll install itself right into your Photoshop software.